Organising your home can seem like an overwhelming process, but if you break it into manageable chunks and go through your possessions methodically, you can eliminate the stress. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organizetoexcel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for almost 15 years, and I'm here today to help you organise your home. Your mindset is important to consider when it comes to organising your home. Your values and goals, the way you think, and the way you talk to yourself all play important roles in how effectively you can make your space your own. First, let's consider values. We each value different things, which means everyone's dream home is unique. Think about what's important to you. Do you value freedom? Maximize space in your home so you have room to create and room for possibilities. Multi-use spaces are great for people who enjoy switching things up and moving from task to task. Connection. Create a comfortable and accommodating atmosphere to appeal to guests or family. Keep supplies for entertaining close at hand, and plenty of seating is a must. Serenity. Simplicity is key. Keep possessions to a minimum and spend time arranging them exactly how you like. Remember that the fewer things you have, the less time you have to spend cleaning them or putting them away. Well, what are your values? What kind of space do you want to create? The next aspect of your organisation mindset is your beliefs. How you talk to yourself is important, and if you have negative beliefs about yourself or your organising style, it affects the entire process. There's a way to turn a negative thought pattern into a positive one. For example, negative. Getting rid of this item will limit my possibilities. I don't use it much, but what if I need it later? Positive. I'm supporting healthy habits by letting go of what I don't use often. Negative. There's no way I can do this by myself. Positive. I create the support I need around me. Negative. I'm disorganized. Positive. I'm learning to be more organized. Negative. I have too much stuff. Positive. I'm letting go of things I no longer need. Many people struggle with letting go of things, but it's an essential part of organizing your home. You don't have to get rid of everything to be organized. Just make sure you're only keeping what you love or need. For sentimental items, keep the memories but limit the stuff. It's okay to let go of gifts from loved ones. Think of the life of the item after you let it go. It could benefit a charity, help the person who receives it, and limit waste. Your donation saves someone from having to buy a new item, saving resources. Some things to keep in mind as you organise your home. You are worthy as you are. The less you have, the less you have to manage. You are not your things. You keep clear boundaries. Ask for what you really want for gifts. No matter where you are on your home organisation journey, you're exactly where you are supposed to be. Organizetoexcel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website, www.organizetoexcel.com.